Jatend piny William Ruto koni pok ma ok dhi kare mag omenda ne kedo kod lokruok chal kor lwasi osedhiro kenge ma pinje Afrika keto kedo kod midhiero ma ikelo kod lokruok chal kor lwasi. Jatend piny bende okwayo pinje Afrika mondo orange yo matut chenro mag kedo kod lokruok chal kor lwasi ahinya kokalo e chugo kembe ma ok keth kor lwasi ka okone mano e yo mabiro konyo yuto mag pinje Afrika kendo chugo thuolo mag tije ne rawere. Koloso e romo mar 39 mar riwruok pinje Afrika boma Addis Ababa piny Ethiopia, Ruto bende ochwalo lipot manyiso lokruoge ma owinjo riwruok pinje Afrika otim mar jiwo kwe kod arita ei Afrika.
The year 2025 marked the 10th anniversary of the Paris Agreement. While the agreement established an important framework and direction, delivery has not yet produced equitable outcomes. Global emissions remain high, and climate finance continues to be unevenly distributed. Available data indicates that global clean energy investment exceeded US $2.3 trillion in 2025, driven largely by deployments across Asia, Europe, and North America. Africa, despite accounting for nearly 20% of the world's population, received less than 3% of this investment. It further proposes scaling the Peace Fund from US $400 million to US $1 billion, strengthening preventive democracy and mediation, closing the early warning response gap, reinforcing norms against unconstitutional change of government, and revitalizing Pan-African solidarity.